one of the things that we have going on, which I'm really, really excited about, is launching our acquisitions company. So Chris, you guys, I don't, if some of you have met Chris before, some of you have, he's been on a couple of times on the Mondays. Chris is our acquisitions manager and he's doing really great. And so Chris and I are forming a company together, and we are going to be helping all of our students that are lifetime members in Storage Nerds. And we're going to be implementing that as of May 1st. Basically, our acquisitions team, you can hire our acquisitions team to find facilities for you. So today, the topic is 15 ways to find storage facilities. And, and so I wanted to just say the first one would be, you could always become a student of Storage Nerds and become a lifetime member, and then hire my team to do all the work for you. So that is going to be one of the things that we implement, because the truth is that I want all my students in the coaching program to be successful. And, sometimes people just get like super busy. Like we have one guy that he's in the coaching program and he rehabs houses, and he's rehabbing like a ridiculous amount of houses right now, but he wants to get out of that, right? Because obviously rehabbing is like active income. Like he has to be the one that manages his houses. I know, because I rehabbed a lot of houses, and he has to be there to manage his houses, and he don't want to do that anymore, right? But he just doesn't have the time to get out and look for the facilities. So he's basically relying on other people within the coaching program to find facilities, and he's willing to partner with them. Or now he has the option to like hire our acquisitions team, and then he can tell us what he wants and where he's looking, and then we will help him to find that facility for him. So anyways, that's one of the 15 ways. I want to just mention that as of May 1st, we are going to be implementing that. We're in the process of getting everything set up. We've hired other acquisitions managers and VAs, and we will probably be hiring more. We've been doing this now for a couple months and getting it all set up, and our VAs are doing amazing, right? So another way that you can find storage facilities is you can get your own VA to do it, right? You don't have to hire us, just hire a VA, right? Hire a virtual assistant to look for storage facilities for you. If you are finding that you are not, finding them, or you don't have enough time to get out and, drive for storage or talk to owners or do what you need to do in order to find them, essentially, and my whole philosophy in life is if I notice that I'm not getting it done and I know it needs to get done, no matter what it is, all that means is that I need to be hiring somebody to do that, right, for me. Okay, so in terms of my fund, right, the Self-Storage Fund of America, which I launched a couple of weeks ago. When I decided to do this fund, right, it just I was like, I'm going to start a fund, and I was like, in my mind, I was like, it's a great idea. And, but then I just couldn't I couldn't get it off the ground. I just couldn't do it. And it took me months and months and months to figure out that essentially I just needed to hire a consultant to help me to do it. Once I hired the consultant to help me to do it, it just took off, and we started actually getting stuff done, and I was productive, and it was all this work that had taken months and months and months for me to figure out how to do. The consultant was like, oh yeah, I could do this, and again, we'll be done in 90 days. And I was like, what? So my personal opinion is, if you notice that you're not getting stuff done as fast as you want to, you should just hire somebody to do it. And guess what? It ain't expensive. It ain't. You know what I'm saying? So people have in this mind, there's two reasons why people don't hire other people to do the work for them. One of them is they have this fear of relinquishing this control, right? They feel like they are the expert and they can do it better. All right. And the truth of the matter is that that's what the expert is for. right? The experts are out there doing what they do because they know how to do it and they'll do it better than you. And I've really learned over the past, 10 years I've been investing in real estate that there ain't no way I can do all of it. That's for sure. And the truth is I want to do all of it, right? I'm that type of person, So in order for me to be able to do all of it, then I have to hire people to help me to do that. And I want to be successful in life personally. That's just my personality. I want to be successful in like what I'm doing.